So once you're at a restaurant and you're ready to order, whether it's a drink, food, or a meal, this is a phrase that you could use. Je vais prendre s'il vous plaît. Here you are saying, I will take your order, please. Okay? So, je vais prendre means I will take. S'il vous plaît simply means please. Okay? So just have a line because that would be your order. That would be what you were ordering. For example, say you want to order a coffee with milk. Okay? Just to start off, you just want a drink, or you're at a coffee shop and you want a coffee with milk. You would say, je vais prendre un café avec du lait, s'il vous plaît. Okay, so you're saying, I will take a coffee with milk, please. Okay, so this reminds me, I should probably add a few more keywords just that I can go over with you, even though they are in your booklet. I'd like to go over them with you right now. Avec, okay, this means with, okay, with, okay. Sans means without. Sans. Maybe on your burger, you want a burger with everything on it, but a burger without pickles, or a burger without tomatoes, okay? Sans tomate. Okay? Avec, sans, un peu, maybe you just want a little bit of something. Un peu. Un peu means a little bit. Just a little bit. Beaucoup, maybe you want a lot. You want a lot of mustard on that burger. That's a condiment, maybe not. If you want a lot of French fries, you would say beaucoup. A lot. À côté, that means on the side. Okay, on the side, beside. À côté. Or sorry, that'd be sur le côté. Okay, côté, sur le côté. On the side. Maybe you just want the dressing on the side, or your French fries on the side. Okay. So now I am going to say a phrase in English and I'd like you to say it in French. I won't throw any new words at you. I'm just going to use this along with the previous list of words that I had shared with you. So how would you say, I will take a croissant, please. So how would you order the following in French? How would you say, I will take a chicken salad, please? I will take a chicken salad, please. I'll give you a few seconds to think about it and come up with your sentence. You would say, je vais prendre une salade de poulet, s'il vous plaît. Je vais prendre une salade de poulet, s'il vous plaît. Okay, I'll say that one more time, but maybe a little slower. Je vais prendre une salade de poulet, s'il vous plaît. Okay, great job.